Just hold it there like that.
Yeah, I can do.
Yeah.
I'm going to go and do something.
What? What are you doing? Wait, so I have to wait to not. Hi, T.
What's everyone? Is anyone there?
No.
Ah.
They've got about 30 seconds to turn up, otherwise I'm eating me tea.
Quick, eat his nana bread.
Yeah, something like that, Amy.
Oh, there's a person.
Oh.
So nice.
Dee, 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 dee. Right, he's back, I'm starting. Even if there is only one person there, I'm starting.
I was going to eat
Because at the end of the day, this is my tea.
Yep.
If you haven't gathered, I've cooked this. Mr. Vikkis hot Goan curry paste. Vegetable oil, coriander, turmeric, cumin, paprika, fenugreek, vinegar, onion seeds, garlic, ginger, tomato, chilli, salt, mustard and spices.
Onions have seeds.
Make sauce recipe. Just add a tin of chopped tomatoes and a small pot of natural yoghurt. We ain't put no
We
yoghurt
didn't
in.
bother with the yoghurt. We probably should have done, but...
Add it to mayonnaise or creme fraiche to make a dip. Use it in stir fry or as a marinade. I just chucked it in with the tomatoes. Made a curry.
Made a curry.
Made a curry. See my curry? Can you see my curry? Can you see?
No, you're going to tip it off the plate.
I will not tip it off the plate. Look at that. It's a beautiful colour. Are you ready, look? You want to see? Look at that.
I'm just going to get tucked in because she talks too long.
So what meat have you got now?
We used lamb this time because the
Lamb?
last time we tried to go on curry, I think I messed it up by using chicken and it didn't quite work well, and I did something else wrong as well.
You can never go wrong with chicken.
What can I taste?
You want to know what this can taste.
That is beautiful. That is good. Get to it. It's all, you know, when it gets into your nose, like wasabi.
I hate that stuff.
Right.
That's what I'm getting off that. It's really nice.
Well, that may be why that one affects you more than me because I've got no sense of smell.
Oh.
Not going up in my nose.
Did you get kidney beans? Because I got kidney beans.
No.
I got kidney beans.
That's brilliant.
That is phenomenal. That is beautiful. I've cooked that in the pan on top of the cooker. Now that tastes to me like it either needs to be done in the oven or it needs to be done in the slow cooker so we can just have all day to go. That is beautiful.
Hmm.
That
Well,
is
it
really
needs
nice.
some pickle or something with it.
Oh, I've got pickle. No, got lime pickle, I think. Lime pickle.
That's what it needs.
Lime pickle. Now on the website, on Mr. Vikkis' website, it tells you, to get the Keswick curry sauce, half a jar of that, and a scoop of that.
Oh, that smells like limes.
That's what it tells you.
Supposed to smell like limes.
Oh,
What's he doing?
oh,
Give it a bit
that
of
was
shake
like
'cause
over.
all the oil was at the topish where now it's...
Limes are the green ones, right?
Oh, wow.
Smells like lip balm.
I'm not going to get a lot because I don't like pickle.
80% lime, rapeseed oil, salt, chilli, fresh ginger, fenugreek, mustard, spice, vinegar, spices, 2 minutes minute. Extra matured for a fuller flavour, made in an authentic Indian way, hot, sour and fabulous.
What's a pickle?
I like the word fabulous.
Is it going to taste like pickles?
Give me the spoon.
That was my spoon.
Right, you ready? Look at that lime.
I don't
Can you
want
see
to
it?
put it on them.
Is it? I think it's a lime. Might be a...
If you don't like the flavour of lime,
It's got big chunks in it.
you can taste lime in that a lot.
I've never had a lime before.
Oh, wow. That cuts straight through your palate.
Mm.
That just clears your palate of anything. Wow.
Anyway, we'll leave that. I'm going to go and eat my tea.
Yeah, because the kids want to try it now.
See ya.
You know my tea. Amy Minnie! Wow. I think I'm going to have this jar with that curry. Right, what did you want?
I've already tasted that. It tastes like kidney beans.
Right, Minnie thinks that curry tastes like kidney beans.
It does.
Doesn't.
Why is it a paste? I don't want any lumps or bumps.
Because
or
it's a
anything.
pickle. You have to have the long. There you go. Right. Oh, then, go it in.
Why couldn't we just have the curry?
Ah!
Is that not nice?
I hope to God somebody's tagged Adam. If nobody's tagged Adam, please tag him.
Bye.
It's sour. Oh! It's tingling.
I don't think I want none.
Right, that's what Minnie thinks of that. Right, go and eat your tea.
Well, I can't.
Right, Amy, do you want to try my curry?
I don't know either.
Right, which would you like to try? Me curry or me pickle or both?
So just
Both.
Right, come here then.
Because
Go on
I'm
the
a
camera then
fatty.
so people can see you.
Move your feet.
Right, this is Mr. Vikkis Goan curry. It might be hot. I don't know. I'm the wrong person to ask.
It's got seeds in.
It's got seeds in.
Gives you a bit of it.
Quite hot though.
It's quite hot. Where at?
Tongue.
On your tongue. Anywhere else? No?
No.
Would you
Is
like
this
it?
spicy?
No, this is amazing.
Why is that watery?
Do you want a piece of pickle? Piece of...
Gherkin, pickle, same thing. Yeah?
I think it's lime. But I'm not 100% sure. Do you want a piece of that or do you just want the sauce?
I'll have a piece of it.
Yeah, he wants a piece of it. Give her a piece of
That's
it.
lime. That's a lime. Wow.
Yep, it's lime.
It's really nice though,
I'm
isn't
gonna
it?
eat a lime.
Isn't it nice though?
Yeah.
That is really nice. I'm going to put a big dollop of that on my plate.
It tastes like chocolate limes.
No, it does not. I like chocolate limes.
Big dollop.
That tastes
I don't
like
joke when I say big
plain
dollop.
limes.
Right, I'm going to go and enjoy my tea. But before I go, I want to ask you all to stick around. Because Minnie's going to do a special video. Oh, get that thing out of my video. That's awful.
Mine are cuter.
I'm scared of them things.
Mine are cuter.
Anyway,
Teeth.
stick around. Minnie will be on in about 5 minutes.
Mum's.
Bye.